Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I'm your host. Alright, so I am looking at the ROM chips in here. Oh, dear. I have two of them that I have to replace. But I want to make sure it won't hurt anything. But I just want to make sure that I have them in the right place. Okay. MOS 901 499-01. Moss Technology Products. Okay, that. Commodore 4032, editor ROM. This is an 8032, it has. Okay, let's try the other one. I think I know what this is. 901 447 10. I'm sure I know that this is the one that's the character ROM. Okay. So, it is time to pop out this EEPROM thing. EEPROM out. Checking the pin. Checking the witness mark. We're in. Okay. That did not go particularly well. Let's take that out. Okay. Checking the pins. Okay, come on. Checking the pins. All right. And up it comes. Yes, indeed. All right. Always exciting. Always exciting. Okay. Checking the pins and the witness mark. Plug the monitor back in, turn it on. And up it comes. And life is good. Now, I should mark this. I'll mark this chip as Mon. This one a row, because it goes along with the row of chips. And I'll slide it back over here. Okay, so I'm going to turn this off. Oh, you know what? I can't quite do this yet. I cannot. Here's the screws, the keyboard. Ah, here's the screws. Sorry, yes, that's for the inside of the keyboard. Alright, I still need to solder the, this is the pet screws. Yeah. I need to solder the shift lock key back onto the, there we are. Need to put the shift lock, or start the shift lock key back in place. And then I can put this in. And then I can see about testing other data sets. I can. So, I guess that's it for now. So, have a lovely, lovely, lovely day. The other thing I really want to do, I got to go downstairs and find it, is there's a little diagnostic board to put in here and see if it'll pinpoint which of the RAM chips is bad, because this PET is only reading like half the RAM, or working with half the RAM, which means the lower part is okay. The lower 8, but the upper, not so good. Anyway, see you again soon. Bye for now.